Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 730. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo Yoga 730 are not responding, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to dirt, debris, or even a faulty connection beneath the keys. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, making your device increasingly difficult to use. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools and materials. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard if necessary. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Yoga 730. Take your time, as rushing this step can lead to damage. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components. The problem area is likely the keyboard connection, which can often become loose or dirty. Locate the ribbon cable connected to the keyboard. Gently disconnect it by pulling on the tab, being careful not to damage the cable itself. If you notice any dirt or debris on the connectors, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it. If the keyboard itself is damaged, you'll need to replace it. To do this, remove the screws securing the keyboard in place. Keep track of the screws, as they can be different sizes. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard out of its housing. Carefully position the new keyboard and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the ribbon cable to ensure proper functionality. Be mindful of the surrounding components as you work to avoid causing any damage. Once everything is securely in place, replace the back cover of your device. Press down firmly to ensure it snaps back into position. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga 730 and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are responding correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make it a habit to regularly clean your keyboard and keep your device free from dust and debris. Additionally, be cautious while eating or drinking near your laptop to avoid accidental spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.